Shiprocket allows you to take bulk action directly from the panel to save time and manual effort. Let's have a look at the bulk action you can take from the Shiprocket panel. To perform a bulk action, you need to first select multiple orders and then click the Select Bulk Action drop-down to see all the possible bulk actions. In the Orders page, New section, in bulk you can ship orders, download invoices, change pickup addresses, archive orders, verify orders, and cancel orders. Similarly, on the Ready to Ship page, in bulk you can download labels, invoices, pick list, you can schedule pickups, manifests, and reassign shipments. On the Pickup and Manifest page, you can download invoices, labels, and manifests in bulk. You can also perform bulk actions on the Weight Discrepancy page. On this page, you can accept multiple discrepancies at once.